Today also I will start the chapter integration by partial fraction. Now first rational function. Rational function is defined as the ratio of two polynomials in the form of px by qx, where px and qx are polynomials in x. If the degree of px is less than the degree of qx, then it is said to be proper. Otherwise it is called an improper rational function. Thus, if px by qx is improper, then by long division method we can be reduced to proper fraction, that is px by qx equal to tx plus p1x by q1x, where tx is a function of x and p1x by q1x is a proper rational function. Such fractions can be evaluated by breaking in factors given as follows. Now form number 1 number 1 form of rational function px plus q by x by a into x minus b. If this is the form of the rational function, then the procedure of partial fraction, that is a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. Number 2, if the form is px plus q by x minus a whole square, then it is a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. And number 3, if the form is px square plus qx plus r divided by x minus a whole square into x minus b, then the form of the partial fraction is a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square plus c by x minus b. Number 4, if the fraction is px square plus qx plus r by x minus a whole cube into x minus b, then a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square plus c by x minus a whole cube plus d by x minus b. Number 5, if the rational function is px square plus qx plus r by x minus a, x minus b and x minus c, then the form of the partial fraction is a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c. And number 6, form of rational function, if the form is px square plus qx plus r by x minus a into x square plus bx plus c, then the form of partial fraction is a by x minus a plus bx plus c by x square plus bx plus c, where x square plus bx plus c cannot be factored further. The constants a, b, c are obtained by equating coefficient of like terms from the both sides or by substituting any value of x on both sides. This is the procedure. I am repeating, the constant a, b, c etc. are obtained by equating coefficient of like terms from both sides or by substituting any value for x on both sides. Now the first example, integration of 3x minus 1 by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 dx. Now according to this, what would be the procedure? The procedure would be this procedure, that is a by x minus 1. There are three factors, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So let 3x minus 1 by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to a by x minus 1, b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. This procedure. Number 5 procedure. Now 3x minus, now after calculating we get 3x minus 1 equal to a into x minus 2, x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1, x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1, x minus 2. Now this is, after simplifying this, you will get, after the calculation you will get this, and applying the formula of this, that is number 5, there are three factors. So you will get the value of now a, b and c, and after calculating, putting x equal to 2, you will get b equal to minus 5, putting x equal to 3, you will get c equal to 4, and putting x equal to 1, you will get a equal to 1. Now substituting the values of a, b, c in 1 and integrating, we get, this is number 1, and integrating we get, that is integration of 1 by x minus 1 dx, because the value of a equal to 1, so this is log x minus 1. Now b is minus 5, then minus 5 integration of 1 minus x minus 2 equal to log x minus 2, and c is 4, then 4 log x minus 3, integration of 1 by x minus 3. So after calculating the result and integrating, we get the result log x minus 1 minus 5 log x minus 2 plus 4 log x minus 3 plus c.